Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. So we are doing the weekend series where we do the analysis of the previous week, and we see how the market was, which entries were valid, which entries made money, and we try to analyze to see where we are expecting the price to go. And if you have confirmed orders in the following week, we post them in our Telegram or our YouTube live. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel and keep watching the videos. Otherwise, you're missing out on some good opportunities in this analysis we're making. So today we are making a video about the week, how gold was moving, XAU USD, which opportunities were there, and the next possible move. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it, guys. So gold had a big upward trend from last year, and that trend was broken recently in June. It was broken, and we are seeing a retest of the same trend, because these are the last support that was created during that upward trend from last year was broken. So this is a one-day chart, so it's kind of a lot of data points. We are going to go down to the small time frames to see a clear picture. So here the trend was broken, created some very good resistances zones. Now all after this was broken, we have to jump into the lower time frames to see this market structure properly, because right now gold is showing us a very good rejection at the 1980 zone, and is creating a good opportunity or a move to the downside to the 1913 zone right there. So let's go to a 4-hour time frame to see more clear on this market structure. As you can see, in the recent month, actually this month, in the beginning of this month, we had a move that started going to the upside. You can see right here in this zone, it was broken and retested, and we saw a move to the upward side. We saw some other we saw a structure right here, which is a flag in the 4-hour chart. Move to the upside, flag, break off the flag, and a move to the continuation to the upside till the zone of 1980. Now, as you can see there, that zone was created way back in June and May and June, and then it is creating another opportunity right here. If you can see, we have an upward trend. You can see this trend line that was drawn there. You can see that trend line. This is a 4-hour chart. So this trend line is showing you that the trend line has been broken right here with a big move to the downside, and we saw a retest of the trend line and a continuation. So right now, if you look into the 1-hour time frame, if you look into the 1 hour right there, you are looking at a break of this trend line more clearly, and there was a good confirmation right there in that white circle. There is some two candles right there. So that confirmation was a move to the downside, and right now we are waiting for the market to open Monday, and we see some more confirmations. We are looking for entry, but sell entries moves to the downside. So on gold, we are going to be looking for entries on the bearish side, because if you go into the 1 hour, 4 hour, that top to bottom analysis, if you go from the 1 day, 4 hour to 1 hour chart, you're just getting more and more confirmations of gold selling. Gold is becoming weaker, and we might get some gold is strong in a bigger picture, but if you go into the smaller time frames, you can see we might get a pullback to the downward side, and we'll try to capitalize on that as well. So look, let's try to go from a top to down analysis, and you try to see what I'm talking about. So here we are in the 1 day chart, break and retest to the downside, and here we are in the 4-hour chart. Also, you're seeing an upward trend that is making a pullback to the downside. So here we are expecting a move at least up to around here, a move at least up to around there, or a move up to around the key zone of 1910. So right there we are expecting those moves, but remember we also have this resistance right there. We had that resistance that was broken to the upside, and now we are looking at a retest which might continue to the upside. But if this retest is, if this resistance right there is broken, now we'll expect a move to the downside. If this resistance is still holding, if this support is created, is created and we are seeing a strong support, then we'll expect a move back to the upside. So for gold, as of now, we have two different expectations: a break and a move to the downside, or a strong support and a move to the upside back into the zone, and possibly also a break to the upside. So right there you can see gold, this is still a very strong key zone, key level. 1980 1982 1980 to 1982 is still a very strong key level, so that level is still holding strong. Now we'll have to wait for a confirmation in the coming week. This level is still holding, or it is totally weak and it will fall to the downside. So wait for a break of 1960, retest that zone, and wait and get your entry confirmation to the downside. So guys, gold is very volatile, gold is very tricky. If you're trading gold, always use some good risk management, some good money management. Otherwise gold can kill your account, guys, man. So these days we are trading gold less and currencies more, index funds less, currencies more, because these are big instruments. These are the instruments that always diminish people's accounts. So you have to take care, guys. If you're trading gold, go for small sizes and try to keep the order running for some time, because every time you catch a good move on gold, you'll make some big bucks, guys. So Monday we are waiting for that confirmation, downside or upside. So gold is in some indecision right now, but let's see what the market presents the coming week. Any confirmation we get, we'll post them in the Telegram channels, we'll post them on our YouTube live. We do a YouTube live of gold and any other currency that is having confirmation every single day, Monday to Friday. All sessions, unless the late New York session, but early Asian session, London session, and early New York session. Because Nairobi time, by the time New York session is closing, it's already very late in the evening. So we do two sessions, Asian, London, and half of New York session. The first 4 to 5 hours of New York session. So thanks for watching, guys. This was the gold weekly analysis and the next possible move. Thanks, keep it up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos. We are posting the weekly series, and we are starting the daily posts every day. We have a live stream every day. Come to the live stream and get on time confirmations and entries, so you don't miss anything. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Keep it up, guys.